Okay, coaches, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to get these cams rolling for tonight's game. We've got two cameras. Both of them are just magnetized to the door sill on the north and south end. These things are easy to turn on. They're already turned on. They're already plugged in and turned on. All we need to do with those is to get them to start recording, which this button on the top, we press that once, we hear a single beep, and the red light starts flashing in the front. We know it's recording. You press it again, you hear two beeps, that's stopped recording. I'm leaving it that way, so now all you have to do is press that button once. It'll start beeping. You'll see that it's blinking in the front. It'll be recording. Same thing for the one on the south end of the court. The other part, though, is the hoop cams. We've got two hoop cams mounted up there, and we need to be able to turn those on. To do that, I have my phone with an app on it. So the app is, come on now, is this Yi Action. So I turn the phone on with the side button here. I swipe it once. I get to Yi Action, I click on Yi Action, and then I want to be in this icon here that controls the cameras. There's a bunch of different camera icons. All of them are Yi 4K action cameras, so we just click on that one. Now we're going to have a list of all four cameras. All four cameras have their own Wi-Fi connected to them, and so we need to attach to that Wi-Fi in order to talk to that camera. So one of the hoop cams is camera C and camera D. So if we click on camera D, the camera connects. Now we're in control of that camera. We can see what it sees, and we can start recording by simply hitting this button here. It turns red, and we start seeing a recording timeline turn on. To stop it recording, we hit the red, it turns to green, we know it stopped recording. To get out of that, we just exit out with an X, and then there's disconnect down here. Now we're back to this group of icons. We hit that again. We're back to the list of cameras. Now we can go to the C camera. That connects. We can see what it sees, which is right above us. We can hit start. It turns red. That turns red and starts counting down. Now we know we're recording. We stop it that way. Then we can disconnect that way. Gets us back to that home screen. Gets us back to that list. We can see the list again. Now, there is enough battery. I believe there's enough battery, and I believe there's enough record time, like 2 hours and 48 minutes, available on each of these cameras to where we should be able to just hit record on all four of the cameras, and just let them go. They can record from the beginning of the game through halftime, through timeouts, everything. Just let them record, and at the end of the game, we can turn off these cameras, and the two cameras that are on the door sills, just detach them. They're magnets, and put them in coach's office. The cameras up above, just leave them where they are. They'll run out of battery or run out of record time. If you want to stop them from recording after the game's over, great. If not, no big deal. They'll just run out of record time or run out of battery, and then they'll be done. I will come back and pick up everything sometime Saturday afternoon, okay? Then we'll be good to go to start slicing and dicing it and get some highlights from it. I'll be able to put a whole game video together if you'd like as well, but definitely I wanted it for the highlight clips. If you have any questions of me during the game or before the game, just text me or call me at 559-289-9622. 559-289-9622. Talk to you soon.